Start, sir.
Hi, my name is Indrajit and I represent the group that's Ekta World. Ekta World Realty is basically a company which is there in existence for the last 3 decades. And we have been delivering we've been delivering services in the real estate sector in Mumbai as well as in the main priority cities like Nashik, Pune. Today in Ekta, we have achieved all our township projects. That too with all amenities suiting every age group, right from kids to senior citizens. Today our projects are landmark projects in the real estate industry with world-class lifestyle amenities and premium homes for every individual. In Ekta World, we have projects starting from Dadar to Chembur, right from Bandra to Virar, considering homes for every individual in every budget for their requirements. Now, considering our project in Mumbai, we have a range of properties right from 30 lakhs to 10 CR. Ekta World has been able to establish its remark, make its remark in Nashik as well as in Pune. Pune, today we have crossed our benchmark projects, that's Ekta California, with the private pool, with a project like which is providing every apartment a private pool. And Nashik, again a township project. Nashik, again a township project, which offers you all amenities and that too in a green zone.
So tell me about your Virar project.
So considering Virar is a location which is absolutely slum free. There is no slum belt at all. The best thing about Virar is we have the transportation facility in such a manner that it makes it very convenient for every individual to travel from Virar. Either it's by train or by road. Virar is a 16-acre property. We have 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK homes. In Virar, the project is on a podium level.
What is the rates?
This particular project offers you a variation to rates. We have homes starting from 30 lakhs and we have homes till 1 crore as well. So considering Virar, depending on the building that you choose, I have something to offer you in which is ready. This is in ready position, and there are a few opportunities where you can make investment and make and gain some returns on your investment as well. So that's a benefit out of that. That's a main catch in Virar's project. What I would request you is we have our actual existing 3 towers ready for possession right now, and we also have a few upcoming buildings which are coming in possession in next 6 to 8 months. So I would request you to come down to our site, visit our site, Ekta Parksville once, and see for yourself the actual difference.
Sir, may I ask you who's the main promoters behind Ekta World?
So the main promoter, the main man stands behind our strong building is Mr. Ashok Monani and Mr. Vivek Monani.
And when the company was founded?
Company is a 3-decade-old company, so it's been into existence since during 2000, since 19.
It's a big empire.
It's a 30-year-old company.
It's a big empire in property market. Okay. Anything else would you like to say to your buyers?
I would definitely recommend. My only message for everyone is that I would request each and everyone to visit our site, visit our offices, any of our locations, and give us a chance to prove ourselves in the industry and to you as well.
One last thing, sir, I would like to ask you. What is the current status of property market? Because it is very slow down. What do you think when the property market will rise up?
So, being honest to you, today property market totally depends on our choice. I see that if there's something at a very good quality, I would definitely not hesitate to go for it. So I personally stand for choice when it comes to quality.
Sure.
So considering today's market, yes, people are big and choosy. People really don't think of buying anything in a hesitation. They take time, they study well, and accordingly they choose the best.
So Ekta World is the place where you can get a lot of
Definitely,
choices.
definitely, we make sure that we deliver the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.